Yeah, in kindergarten.
My heart knows the truth.
It's time to choose, Veronica. It's eat or be eaten.
Why would he invite me to his homecoming party if he didn't still feel something?
You know what to say.
Why would he write me that note? I'm gonna confront JD.
No!
Do you have the guts?
Oh, Martha, you floor me. You really do.
What do you mean?
Ram didn't write that love note. I did.
No.
Yeah. The whole school was in on the joke. The Heathers put me up to it. Nobody laughed harder than Ram. He didn't love you. He was a dick. He's dead. Move on. Shit.